Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Where you can find, guys, the engine starter fuse, we're going to demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. Now you have multiple locations that will be working today. First you need to, guys, open your hood, and under the hood, if you look right here on the driver's side, okay, you see that cover here, it has two notches. Press them in, open that cover. Right underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the engine starter specifically, guys, okay, we will need to check one fuse here, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check one more. The fuse that we need to check is fuse number 7. Most people will know about that fuse. But now, guys, if you open the hood again, on your car battery, on the positive terminal, you will have some hidden fuses. They have two different kinds. Two of them are rectangular or the squared fuses. Here you may have double or up to 3 fuses. It really depends, guys. Now that 250 amp fuse, the main fuse, if it's blown, your starter will not work as well. You need to go ahead and check the other ones as well. Sometimes it could be on a separate one, but always test these 3 fuses or however you have, guys. The other fuse that we showed you, number 7, is the main fuse. This is, guys, practically part of the main fuse system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.